morning I'm gonna walk you through how I make my breakfast at work. I have my container, salt and pepper, eggs, and the 3-pepper onion blend, and some turkey sausage crumbles. So I'm gonna grease my glassware container, and then I am going to walk you through how I make everything in the microwave. So I use the butter to grease my glassware container because I don't want the eggs to stick, but of course you can use cooking spray if you have it. I just forgot to buy some this week, so I'm using what I have. So I'm putting legitimately 1 handful. The onion and bell pepper mix, and then I'm going to microwave it for like 30 seconds. Back to my 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add black pepper and a little bit of salt. And then I'm gonna whip them in this cup, and then I have my onion and bell pepper that I've warmed up a tiny little bit, and then I'm gonna pour it in here. I have 1 handful of the fully cooked turkey crumbles. Just gonna shake that around. Then we're gonna go ahead and just pour our eggs on. And this is 2 eggs. After a minute and a half, it looks like this, so it's still not cooked. So I am going to let it go to about 2 minutes. And then after about 2 minutes, it pretty much looks like this. The egg's cooked, but you really just want to microwave it until the egg is cooked, and that's it. You can, of course, add different things to it, and I'll be definitely trying that myself. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.